Namaskar friends, welcome to ProjectX India. I'm Kevin and I'm delighted to have you on board as we embark on a journey through the diverse landscape of India's growth. Today our exploration spans across key sectors, covering updates from an impressive array of 30 projects, from agri and consumer products to aviation, renewable energy, waste management, academics, chemicals, cement, railways, infrastructure, and more. So join me as we navigate through the heartbeat of development in India. First up, Jubilant Agri and Consumer Products Limited plans to expand operations in Vadodara, Gujarat, producing a range of products. The estimated value of this ambitious project stands at a whopping rupees 476.87 crores. Moving on to Halol district in Gujarat, Poshak Limited seeks an environmental clearance amendment for their agrochemicals manufacturing unit. This project, valued at rupees 343.36 crores, is currently under implementation. Now let's take to the skies over Darbhanga, Bihar, where the Airports Authority of India is gearing up for a major transformation. A new civil enclave is in the works, complete with a terminal building and allied structures. The estimated value for this aviation project is an impressive rupees 631.71 crores. The bid due date is 18th of January 2024. Staying in the aviation sector, the Airports Authority of India in New Delhi is inviting bids for the supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of radar and accessories. This project, valued at rupees 329.8 crores, aims to enhance airport surveillance capabilities. The bids were recently invited. Shifting gears to the renewable energy sector, Thermax Limited secures rupees 500 crore orders for establishing 5 bio-CNG plants across Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Uttar Pradesh. The combined capacity is 110 tons per day. Local feedstock includes rice straw, napier grass, cane trash, and soya trash. In Mumbai, the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation is taking a step forward in waste management. The Turbay landfill will see the closure of its 7th cell and the development of an 8th cell, paving the way for advanced technologies like biomining or a biomass gasifier system. In Punjab, Sadpura Envirotech Private Limited is in the planning stages for a common effluent treatment plant. The proposed expansion of boiler capacity from 10 TPH to 22 TPH is part of their commitment to environmental sustainability. The estimated project cost is rupees 63 crores. In Uttar Pradesh, the Military Engineer Services is tendering for the repair and replacement of critical equipment at 7 AFH, Kanpur Cantonment, including UPS, OT light, stabilizer, oil-fired boiler, and more. Bids were recently invited. Moving to Maharashtra, Vidarbha Irrigation Development Corporation is inviting tenders for the construction of remedial measures to critical patches in KM 21, 31, 32, 34, 39, 43 of Gazakurd Right Bank Canal, District Chandrapur. The bid due date is 3rd January 2024, and the estimated project cost is rupees 235.89 crores. RSA Infra project has bagged a contract of rupees 44.82 crores from Odisha Water Resource Department for the construction of a barrage across Mahendratanya River in Gazpati district of Odisha. Switching tracks to the railways, the Southeastern Railway in Chakratharpur, Jharkhand, is tendering for Wi-Fi RailNet connection, PA system, and CCTV at the DGSD Godown. The bids were recently invited. Meanwhile, Chennai Metro Rail Limited is inviting bids for the design, supply, and installation of a CCTV video surveillance system for the CMRL project. The bid due date is 18th of January 2024. Ambuja Cement Limited is set to revolutionize the cement industry with 2 major projects. First, an expansion in Chandrapur, Maharashtra, with an estimated value of rupees 3,261.08 crores. This includes doubling the clinker and cement production and adding a 45-megawatt waste heat recovery unit. The second project involves expanding the cement grinding unit in Rupnagar, Punjab, with an estimated value of rupees 840.58 crores. The expansion is planned from 3.4 to 5.4 million tons per annum. Shifting gears to academics, Delhi University is inviting bids for the supply and installation of an electrochemical workstation. The bids were recently invited. Stay tuned for updates on this interesting development. Now let's explore the chemical industry. Hexatech Industries LLP plans to set up a manufacturing unit in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, producing styrene butadiene emulsion and styrene acrylic emulsion. The proposed total production capacity is 1,400 metric tons per month. The project is currently in the conceptual stage. The estimated project cost is rupees 6.26 crores. Meanwhile, Shrivardhan Industries in Valsad, Gujarat, is gearing up for an expansion of its manufacturing plant for synthetic organic chemicals, increasing the total production capacity to 1,596.5 metric ton per month. The estimated project cost is rupees 3.39 crores. Nirvana Enterprise, located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, is seeking consent for a new product, synthetic organic chemicals. The proposed production capacity is 90.5 metric tons per month. The estimated project cost is rupees 3.25 crores. In Bharuch, Gujarat, Amron Chemicals Private Limited is planning to expand its synthetic organic chemicals manufacturing unit. The project includes increasing the total production capacity from 1,271.2 mtpm to 1,821.2 mtpm. The estimated project cost is rupees 35.36 crores. Kulkarni Organics Private Limited in Pune, Maharashtra, is seeking fresh terms of reference from the Environment Clearance Authority for the expansion of its fine and specialty chemicals and drug intermediates manufacturing unit. The estimated project cost is rupees 7.87 crores. Moving on to Thane, Maharashtra, Frisia Chemicals has an ambitious expansion project. They aim to increase the manufacturing capacity of fine chemicals, packing and repacking, and purification products from 54 TPA to 2,640 TPA. The project is currently in the planning stage. The estimated project cost is rupees 1.6 crores. Balaji Specialty Chemicals Limited is gearing up for the establishment of a specialty chemicals manufacturing unit in Solapur, Maharashtra. The project is currently in the planning stage. The estimated project cost is rupees 400 crores. In Patan, Maharashtra, Landschaft Food Products LLP is seeking terms of reference from the Environment Clearance Authority for the expansion of its synthetic organic chemical, modified starch at 500 TPM manufacturing unit. The estimated project cost is rupees 9.55 crores. A project update from Raigad, Maharashtra, Pregiv Specialties Private Limited is expanding its aroma chemicals manufacturing facility. The terms of reference have already been granted by the EC authority. The estimated project cost is rupees 101 crores. Switching gears to tenders, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited is inviting bids for the global pre-qualification of vendors for the supply of muriate of potash in bulk. The bids were recently invited. Exciting news from Vikas Ecotech. The company has secured orders worth nearly rupees 225 million for specialty polymer compounds. These orders will be serviced within the next 30 to 45 days, latest by 15th February 2024. In Uttar Pradesh, Taru Formalin Private Limited plans to manufacture 300 mt per day of formaldehyde in Gorakhpur. The project is currently in the planning stage. The estimated project cost is rupees 9 crores. Heading to Malda, West Bengal, SSB Chemical Industries is setting up a manufacturing unit of synthetic resin. The total production capacity will be 12,000 TPA, and the project is currently under implementation. The estimated project cost is rupees 8.4 crores. The Roads and Buildings Department, Government of Gujarat, is planning the construction of a proposed ROB and its approaches in Vadodara, Gujarat on EPC mode of NH64. The bid due date is 9th January 2024. The estimated project cost is rupees 35.81 crores. Wapcos Limited is taking on significant construction projects. First, the construction of a structural lab at IITISM, Dhanbad. The bids were recently invited. The estimated project cost is rupees 3.58 crores. Next is the construction of a multi-sports complex at Kargil in the Union Territory of Ladakh. The bid due date is 5th January 2024. The estimated project cost is rupees 39.71 crores. As we conclude, it's clear that ProjectX India encapsulates the spirit of progress, innovation, and sustainable growth across different domains. We look forward to keeping you updated on the exciting transformations shaping India's future. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any updates on such upcoming projects in India. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.